Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to cancel your Synchrony credit card, you have come to the right place. Today I will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in. First, head to the Synchrony website and click on Login. You will find login button at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see at the screenshot, and you will need to enter your user ID and password to access your account. Now step 2. Access account dashboard. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your credit card details and settings. Step 3 is find customer service. Next, look for the customer service or help tab at the footer menu. Click on it to navigate to the support section. Then at this screenshot you can see the customer resource. If I zoom it, you can see the customer resource and contact us page link. Click on it and you will be landed on contact us page. Then step 4, contact support. In this section, find the contact option. You will need to either call the customer service number provided or use the live chat feature to request cancellation. As Synchrony may require a direct conversation for cancellations, you can find their customer service number from the help center or from the back of your card. The number is 1877-295-2080. Note this if you need it. Step 5. Provide verification details. Be prepared to provide your account details for verification. This includes your credit card number and any personal information needed to confirm your identity. Now head to the step 6. Request cancellation. Once connected with a representative, clearly request the cancellation of your credit card. They might ask for a reason, so have your explanation ready, whether it's to manage credit better or simply not needing the card anymore. Step 7 is confirm cancellation. After your request processed, ask for a confirmation number or email as proof of cancellation. Ensure you receive this before ending the call or chat. And that's it. You have successfully initiated the cancellation of your Synchrony credit card. Remember to monitor your account to ensure no further charges appear. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.